everyone. I hope you're enjoying your Read Across America week. My name is Miss Jen, and I thought that I would read a story to you that my daughter Paisley and I like to read by one of our favorite authors, and his name is Mo Willems. The book that I picked out to read you guys is not Dr. Seuss, but it's called Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. Let's dig into it. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want to, yes? A what? A ball, a swim, a hat? Chew! Oh dear. Sniff, are you okay? I do not know. Chew! I cannot stop snuff. Chew! Bless his heart, he has a bad sneeze. Sneezing. Oh, no. Oh, that poor pig. What if pigs make me sneeze? Chew! What if you try to sneeze more softly? Oh, sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It's too late. Oh dear. Here it comes. Chew. Goodbye. Gerald. Sniff. Poor thing looks so sad, don't he? Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Oh dear. Cats now. Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. How do you think he's feeling right now? Pigs making sneeze and cats making sneeze? I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? Yeah, you're sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy! Great news! I have a cold. Good for you. The end. I hope that each and every one of you are feeling well this week and you're enjoying all the stories that you're getting to read in your classroom with your teachers. And remember, wash your hands if you have a cold. You don't want to spread those germs to your friends. Have a great day. Bye.